creative here. Today we're opening day number 11. I really think this is like one of those metal things.
Oh.
Like with those strings.
Like a metal die?
Yeah, a metal die.
Like yesterday was a stamp, so maybe there's a die that matches the stamp.
I think it's a metal die.
Let's have a look. Is Pearl right?
I really think it's a metal die.
Let's see what is in day number 11.
I was right.
She is right. It is the metal fussy cutting die that matches the On My Mind photopolymer stamp. Well, isn't that fantastic? That saves everybody having to fussy cut that out. That is an awesome die, and I do love it. Thanks for joining us today for the opening of our Advent kit. Come back tomorrow, and Pearlie and I will open up day number 12.